How to delete ChatGPT account. Let's get started. You can use the web version or also you can use the ChatGPT app. For this video, I'm going to use the ChatGPT app. Launch it. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on two bars given at the top left. Now click on your email address. Navigate to the option Data Controls. At the bottom, you'll find the option of Delete Account. Click on it. Deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. All the data, including profile, conversation, and API usage, will be removed. You cannot reuse the same email or phone number for your new account. If you have been using ChatGPT with the API, this access will also be deleted. Now click on Delete Account. Your account has been queued for deletion. Click on Logout. Your account has been scheduled for deletion. Once completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. During the 30 days period, you are able to use your password and the email address and get back your account. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you are able to delete your ChatGPT account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.